conquering space, futuristic telecommunications, zero-emissions vehicles, even robots. Our perception of many technological advances has been shaped by narratives in pop culture, in art, cinema and literature. The European Parliament's Panel for the Future of Science and Technology, STOA, thinks art can help inform the public on a new revolution, artificial intelligence.
Art and stories can give us a better understanding on how these technologies actually work. AI used to be a technology that would scare people, but this fear, it's up to us to make sure that technology will be used only to benefit citizens.
This film, produced for STOA by the Belgian filmmaker Serge Gorielli,
You have excellent skills and a strong drive to find a better direction in life.
tells the story of a young woman who is confronted with the opportunities but also the risks of AI.
Je crois que c'est la bonne approche. Je crois que le projet artistique est bien plus digérable et plus proche du public qu'une information scientifique chiffrée.
So it's clear that we need to decide together and not leave just everything in the hands of engineers.
This specialist thinks we need what she calls AI translators, and Nathaniel Ackerman could be one of them. He created a group that helps people understand the opportunities presented by AI.
We need really AI translator to discuss between the lawyers, the ethicists, the citizen, the engineers, and so forth. Think about the ethical impact or question we could have before it is on the market.
STOA wants to encourage European citizens to take part in the debate on AI.